Now let us have a look at logistics in a global economy. Now we know about the globalization and the three eras. In तीन eras की बात की गई उसमें the economy actually, it has the evolution from actually taking material and goods towards achieving economies of scale as well and moving towards the individual micro level पे हम चले गए और वहाँ पर भी we are looking at economies of scale and utilizing the labor to the best extent, cost effective scenarios की तरफ गए. Logistics की, what would be the worth of logistics in that global economy? इस globalization के scenario में what was the worth? We will discuss in this session about that briefly. I will provide you some overview about logistics in the global economy and why it is attractive in a global economy. So economies and companies could improve their wealth by allowing specialization of tasks. Companies अपनी wealth को improve कर सकती हैं when they allow for a specialization of task. Specialization, now we know, that is to perform some specific task and you have expertise in performing that task. So whenever it happens, the logistics was actually, traditionally we will take it as the transportation and warehousing. So it becomes important that there would be some company who can actually provide us that transportation, and that transportation would be in a specialized way. Product should not be spilled, product wastage ना हो. तो जब ये सिनेरियो आपके पास आया तो स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ टास्क कैन एक्चुअली इम्प्रूव द वेल्थ. जहां पर मेरे पास डिफेक्टिव आइटम्स एक शिपमेंट के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा हो सकते थे, वहां पर यू कैन एक्चुअली कंट्रोल इट टू द मिनिमम लेवल. So specialization of task will actually improve the wealth of the companies and economies. That is possible through effective and efficient logistical activity. Then the advantage is true as long as you can sell the increased volume that is produced. It is an important role of logistics. आपने जो extra produce किया है, you can use the globe as the part of your economy and you can actually send it there. Logistical activity is required. So it is a profit making scenario. आपके लिए एक profit making scenario create हुआ. And logistics actually, it helped extend the market area of countries or companies through improved efficiency to lower the landed cost in new market areas. कैसे कम हुई logistical cost? When I have proper standard operating procedures through which I can actually provide those items which have a risk of, let's say, wastage, or those who could be wasted when they were actually transported. तो वहाँ पर जो landed cost है आपकी वो कम हो गई. The cost through which, the logistical cost through which that product actually reached the country. जब वो country तक पहुँची है, जब उस area तक पहुँची है, the market value would be high because your cost is low. Wastage उसमें कम है. So the global economy in logistics, उसमें भी एक evolution है. The evolution is actually because of the IT sport. Yes, of course, global logistics में information technology, it played an important part, and the ability to connect to individuals and companies across the globe and to connect computer information system on the 24/7 basis has provided unparalleled opportunities for collaboration horizontally and vertically in supply chains. Now, if you see, there are some boundaryless organizations. Amazon.com, there is no boundary to that organization. They can operate across the globe, and there are so many other who can actually operate across the globe. So what are they using? They are using the computer information systems that can connect them to the individuals or countries on 24/7 basis. So टाइम लिमिट्स नहीं है और कंपनीज के साथ और इंडिविजुअल्स के साथ कनेक्ट किया जा सकता है ऑन 24/7 बेसिस. सो ग्लोब हैज एक्चुअली बिकम देयर बिजनेस एरिया, देयर मार्केट एरिया, एंड दे आर यूटिलाइजिंग इट. सो लॉजिस्टिकल एक्टिविटी, इफ इट इज नॉट एफिशिएंट और इफेक्टिव, दैट मीन्स कि टाइम बेस्ड रिक्वायरमेंट्स को कंप्लीट नहीं करते तो डिलीवरी ऑन टाइम नहीं हो सकती. दैट मीन्स कि दे वुड नॉट बी कंसिस्टेंट in delivering the product on time, as well as the quality of that product is, if it is not good, they cannot flourish. ऐसे बिजनेसेस फ्लरिश नहीं कर सकते. सो लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल कि कंट्रीज के अंदर जो है वो आपके पास ये सिनेरियो कैसे क्रिएट हो रहा है. इन 2006 फॉर यूएस द स्टैटिस्टिक्स इज the trade volume with China was 18.2% of the total of the top 10 for 2006, and it increased its trade volume by 20%. Actually, China is the third major country through which USA has this kind of a trade volume after Canada and Mexico. Now, if you can see the countries which have the activities going on, the global activity, global logistical activity going on with USA. So you can see Canada, then China, and then Mexico. 2008 में with China, the volume was trade in billions of dollars है ये, $408 billion थी. And in 2010, it actually increased to $457 billion. So the trade is actually increasing. That is, they are achieving economies of scale there. They are having a cheaper labor there. So global economy mein the logistical activity is actually important for them. Not that near ek far country hai and big country where you need to actually transport it, where you need to actually have some kind of a transshipment scenario, warehouses की ज़रूरत है, and you are achieving economies of scale. आप economies of scale भी achieve कर रहे हैं, and the trade volume with that country is actually flourishing, which actually shows that the benefit is actually going to the individuals and the organizations as well, other than some government organizations. So logistics in the global economy, it actually increases the worth. ये increase करती है एक worth की economy के अंदर. Thank you.